So we're going to try another one again. What I want you guys to do is that I want you to pause this video and try to work it out on your own. Alright, good. So what we're going to be doing for this one now, this time, is that we're going to be drawing each of the shapes that make up this triangular prism. So based on the first video that we did, we know that there is another identical triangle just like this. So let us draw those two triangles. Sorry, give me a second. Yes, so now we have the two triangles. We know that there are two of these faces. We have this face here and we have another one like that. So we're going to draw those two faces just like how they appear. And we know that they're rectangular in shape. And we know that there is also another shape at the bottom, which is another rectangle. Right? If I was supposed to use some dotted lines to finish this diagram, then this would be the shape at the bottom. So we know that there's another shape at the bottom. Now, let us put in the dimensions for each of these shapes using the original diagram that we have. So we already know that for the triangles, the height is 2 meters and the base is 5 meters. So we're going to put that in for both of the triangles because there are two triangles. With this side that we have now, we know that this is a rectangle and they already gave us one length of it and they gave us the other length. So we know that we're going to be using 8 meters and 4 meters. So I can put 8 meters here and 4 meters going up. I can put 8 meters here, 4 meters going up. Now look at the rectangle at the bottom. We already have one length here which is 5 meters and we have another length here which is 8 meters. So we can draw that perfectly here. So we can call down here 5 meters and we can call that 8 meters. Now we have all of the 5 shapes that actually make up a triangular prism. Now let us find the total surface area for each of let us find the surface area for each of them. For the rectangle, we know that in order to find the area of a rectangle, we say length times width. So that would be 5 meters multiplied by 8 meters, which would be 40 meters squared. For this rectangle as well, it's the same thing, length times width. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32, so that's 32 meters squared. And this is also 32 meters squared. How do we find the area of a triangle? Half base times height, or base multiplied by height divided by 2. So the base is 5 meters multiplied by the height, which is 2 meters over 2. So that's actually 10 meters squared divided by 2, which would give us 5 meters squared. So we know that each of these measures 5 meters squared in area. Now that we've found the area for all of the shapes that make up the triangular prism, how can we find the total surface area? Right, by adding all of the areas that we found together. So we found 40 meters squared plus 32 meters squared plus 32 meters squared plus 5 meters squared plus 5 meters squared. Now let us add up everything together. So after we've added all of these areas together, we would get 114 meter squared.